Hello and welcome, fellow crafters, to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. So this week at Storytime, we are talking about one of my very favorite flowers. We are talking about sunflowers. They are so pretty, and you will see quite a lot of them in the fall time. So this is what your completed sunflower is going to look like. It's got these fun little petals. So this one's not too difficult to make. What you're going to get when you come in, you will get a piece of construction paper, and then you'll get this template right here. And what you want to do is you're going to color this part yellow, or it could be like gold, a bright orange. Sunflowers do come in a lot of different colors. There are quite a lot of varieties of sunflowers. And I don't know how much you know about sunflowers, but they're pretty awesome. They're great for the environment. They actually absorb toxins in the air to help purify the air around them. Several years ago in Japan, when they had a nuclear meltdown, they planted thousands of sunflowers in the area, and it remarkably helped to clean up the area and get the air much cleaner faster than it would have otherwise. So that's pretty cool, right? So what you're going to do, like I said, you're going to color this part. That's the main part of your sunflower. So yellow, gold, orange, whatever color you want your sunflower to be. And then the center is going to be brown. So you'll cut those out and glue this part right into the center. And once you've glued that, you can take your scissors and just cut the petals right down to the very center. So it'll look like they're fluttering in the wind. Cool, right? And then this is your stem and your leaves, and then you'll just glue it right there onto the center of your construction paper. So you'll need, of course, your crayons, your glue stick, and your scissors to grow your very own sunflower. It's so pretty. Do you know the record for the largest sunflower ever? If you said 30 feet high, you would be correct. It's crazy. It's so tall. So I definitely recommend growing some sunflowers. They are very, very useful. You can eat the seeds. They're beautiful to look at. You can make sunflower oil. You can make sunflower butter. So if you do have a peanut allergy, sunflower butter is a pretty good alternative to it. So they're pretty magical. No wonder people painted so many great pictures of them. So I hope you enjoy making this sunflower, and we will see you soon. Bye.